We just got some news, and you probably haven't seen this because it just broke. Our own colleague Ken Delaney in MS Now, that Tish James is going to be re-indicted tomorrow, it appears, in Norfolk, Virginia, with a assistant U.S. attorney, I think, being brought in from Missouri to handle the charges. Her indictment, of course, was thrown out because the judge found that Lindsay Halligan, who had been brought in specifically to indict her in Comey, was not actually constitutionally appointed, and therefore the indictment was thrown out, although without prejudice, so they can re-indict. This appears to be one of the areas that there is quite a bit of focus, which is to get revenge on who they want to get revenge on.
Yeah, that's right. And there's also this interesting corresponding investigation that leaked relative to the improper information that forms the basis of some of these investigations. Yes. That, when it comes to the personal mortgage information of individual officials, that's not supposed to be made public or without warrant given to law enforcement. And so it seems sort of illegitimate at its core. It's eventually all going to get thrown out, these cases they're trying to bring against the Attorney General and against Adam Schiff. But yes, he is relentless in his persecution of his enemies. I think there's two interesting things about this. One, it does have an impact because I think there are a lot of powerful people who are keeping their mouth shut, who aren't funding the opposition to Donald Trump because they don't want to get caught in his crosshairs. But the American public is not scared of him. I mean, 7 million people at the No Kings rally, obviously big turnouts in these special elections, Democrats overperforming. So it is having an impact, this scare campaign, on the elites. It's not having much of an impact on the American public, and that ultimately may be our democracy's salvation.